Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. On your repeated demand for reduced syllabus for ICSE Class 10 Physics, today I am going to make this video. At the same time, I am going to discuss approximate marks related with each and every chapter. Earlier, I have discussed with you unit-wise marks. Today, I am going to discuss chapter-wise marks. Our first chapter is force. From the unit force, work, power, energy. It carries approximately 6 to 8 marks for your ICSE Class 10 2025 examination, and there is no reduced topic from this chapter. Similarly, work, energy and power approximate 10 marks from this chapter, and it has no reduced topic. Third chapter is machine. It carries 5 to 6 and approximately more than 6 marks in your final examination. And the reduced topic from this chapter is combination of pulleys. Block and tackle system is in your syllabus, very much in your syllabus, block and tackle. But another diagram using one fixed and other movable pulleys is not in your syllabus. And next is effect of weight of pulleys on MA, VR and efficiency. That means formula is MA is equal to N minus W upon E and efficiency is equal to 1 minus W upon NE. These two formulas and numericals related with these formulas are not in your syllabus. Now coming to next unit, which is light. So first of all, refraction of light, chapter 4, it carries 12 to 16 marks in your final examination. And in this chapter, almost everything is in your syllabus. Only the derivation of the formula I1 plus I2 is equal to A plus delta, or you can say I plus E is equal to A plus delta. The derivation of this formula is not in your syllabus. Formula is very much in your syllabus. Numericals based on this formula is also very important. Next chapter, fifth, refraction through a lens. Here it carries more than 6 marks in your final examination. Derivation of lens formula. Lens formula is in your syllabus. Numericals based on lens formula are in your syllabus, and derivation of lens formula is not in your syllabus. So you need not to derive and practice the derivation of this formula. Next is magnifying power of a magnifying glass. M is equal to 1 plus D upon F. This formula and knowledge of formula is in your syllabus, but formula and numericals based on this formula are not in your syllabus. Next is spectrum. Spectrum carries 4 to 8 marks in your final examination. Here deleted topics are values of waves in electromagnetic spectrum. You need to learn only their order, not exact values of all the waves. You should know how to arrange them in the increasing order of their wavelength, or you can say decreasing order of their frequency, but you need not to learn the exact value of the waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. Similarly, properties and detection of X-rays, gamma rays, microwaves and radio waves. These are not in your syllabus. The two topics which you should learn properly are detection, properties and uses of ultraviolet radiation, infrared radiations and visible. ये तीन आपने बहुत अच्छे से करने हैं. Next chapter is sound. Sound chapter carries near about 11 marks in your final examination. So derivation of relationship between loudness and intensity, this is the only deleted topic from your syllabus. On one full page, derivation is given of this formula. L is equal to loudness is equal to K log 10 I is in intensity. तो इसका derivation नहीं करना, formula you should know. Chapter 8, current electricity, it carries 7 to 9 marks and no reduced topic from this chapter. Next is household circuit, 4 to 6 marks and no reduced topic. Chapter 10, electromagnetism, it carries 7 plus marks in your final examination, and the deleted topic from this electromagnetism chapter are working of DC motor, working of AC generator, circuit of electric bell. बेल के कंपोनेंट्स, उनकी वर्किंग, उनका प्रिंसिपल आपको पता करना है, लेकिन सर्किट डायग्राम आपको ड्रॉ करने के लिए नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट, न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड ऑन ट्रांसफार्मर. ट्रांसफार्मर का भी हमें डायग्राम करना है, उनके अंदर जो पार्ट्स यूज हुए हैं, क्या क्या यूटिलिटी है, उनके अंदर जो वायर्स हमने प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी कॉइल्स यूज किया, उसका सब कुछ पता करना है. बट न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड ऑन ट्रांसफार्मर दे विल नॉट कम इन योर एग्जामिनेशन. चैप्टर 11 is calorimetry, carries 10 marks and there is no reduced topic from calorimetry. Chapter 12 is radioactivity. only numerical part of nuclear fission and fusion equations is not in your syllabus. तो आपको उसकी वैल्यूज की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, वैल्यूज एग्जैक्टली मगअप करने की जरूरत नहीं है। एंड इट कैरीज 10 to 11 मार्क्स। बहुत छोटा चैप्टर है, इतने ज्यादा मार्क्स कैरी कर रहा है, तो आपको इसको अच्छे से, स्पेशली ए एक्सरसाइज, एक भी चीज नहीं वहां पर आपने छोड़नी, बहुत अच्छे से करनी है। और बी पार्ट न्यूक्लियर फिजन और फिजन का जितना भी कंपैरिजन है, कितनी एनर्जी मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट में रिलीज हो रही है, वो सब आपने अच्छे से करना है। सिर्फ जैसे कि किसी पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन के अंदर लास्ट में जाके 9.3 मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट एनर्जी रिलीज हो रही है, उतना हमें याद करने की जरूरत नहीं, बट कंपैरिजन के लिए फ्यूजन और फिजन रिएक्शन का आना आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है। So this is the sum up of 2024 examination for your ICSE physics paper. I hope this will help you in preparation of your final examination. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. I will make another video on the marks distribution of numericals in different chapter for your physics paper. Thank you.